founded in January this year a division of AM Hydraulics. With any new company or division of a company being formed, especially in manufacturing, you need to buy machine tools, and that was their challenge here, to make sure that they were purchasing the best machines for the job and getting the best value for money. Let's go inside and meet with Daniel and see that they succeeded. So Dan, this is the first time you've used Leadwell machines in anger, should we say. 3 brand new machines here. Let's start with this one, the 42 IF. What's your opinion on them now they're here and installed?
Well, when I first come, I was actually really surprised about the performance and the accuracy what it can actually achieve.
What would you be cutting? What's generally coming through? I mean, obviously AM tooling is a new division of AM Hydraulics. Tool making, traditionally some more difficult and challenging materials. Is that the case here?
Yeah, we're doing hardened D2s. That's probably the most challenging for a lot of people. We're also cutting various different steels, as well as stainless steel aerospace work. And it's keeping tight tolerances, achieving the actual product really quick. And
no vibration? Not
vibration.
Minimal tool wear?
Yeah, minimal tool wear. We've got good tooling suppliers which are allowing us to actually achieve the correct spindle speeds and optimal finishes.
Now, so everybody knows this in the industry. You have to work very hard to get orders out of cooks at AM Hydraulics. So Leadwell obviously done something right here. Let's move on to the next machine, because not only, like I said, just one machine, actually 3 brand new machines purchased here. This next one is a V52 AF. So what does this give you over the 42?
It gives you a larger bed space. The spindle speeds are the same, if I'm aware, but it's a larger portfolio, machining portfolio. So that does it just gives us a little bit more.
Well, I've seen some of the work you do. I mean, being tool makers, the parts are varied from small components up to large plate work, for example. Would you be utilising, or have you utilised yet, the whole bed on this machine? Because is it about just over a metre and a?
Yeah, it is. We've actually done modifications for plates. We have been putting most of our plates on actual larger machines, but small modifications where they're tied up for work that we can't actually put on these, they're perfect. We can just quickly put on a large plate.
And this is almost like being in a little bit of a Leadwell showroom. We've gone from the 42 up to the 52. Now the third machine is the biggest of the 3 machines that they purchased. Now I know this has been cut in some stainless while we've been here. What is the 50L? This looks like it's an even bigger envelope.
Yeah, it is a bigger envelope. We've actually done some of our bigger modifications on the plates on this machine. This is the first one what was installed, and that's when we were actually putting the tools together. If there was any details missing or need to be opened out, we just were able to use that because it was less utilised than the larger machines at that time anyway.
And when we look at these, I think there's 10,000 RPM spindles across the board here. They're all using the FANUC control, so any other programs that you have from other machines, of which you're awash with here at AM Hydraulics and AM Tooling, you'll be able to utilise those programs in here as well, do you think?
Yes, I can actually just, on the software, we can post out just FANUC. We've got the FANUC post, and it doesn't matter what machine you put it on, it's acceptable.
Why do you think, what's your opinion on why Leadwell have managed to successfully install these machines here, Dan? Give us a few reasons why you think that they won the business.
I believe it's just a customer service, from what I'm aware of anyway. I think Cooks has been treated really well, and obviously he's given the same level of respect back to the supplier. So,
what about the value?
Yeah, definitely the value with the actual machine. Yeah, it's amazing, and the work what we're achieving on it, you can't complain really.